This is the new leaf that recently has grown. Before I start, I'll request you to watch this video full to understand my experience on Anthurium. Also, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for further updates. Do not worry about your Anthurium. If it is survived once, then it will survive anyhow. One of my Anthurium's leaf was getting dry about a month back, and I was worried about it, and there is a video of checking soil in the I button. In this video you can definitely check. Everything was fine, but somehow my Anthurium's leaves getting dry, and suddenly I have noticed that there is a new leaf is growing. This was a new experience for me for a homegrown Anthurium. Below there are a couple of points that I used to do with my homegrown Anthurium. The first one is water properly. Second one is soil checking whether the proper moisture are there, and if any bacterial activity is found, then I try to check or change the soil from the surface. Also added couple of stones to prevent the fungi attacks from there. Then I do focus on proper sunlights, as they need 3 hours at least each day of proper sunlight. I was shocked to see such beautiful leaves that are changing colors after the old leaf. Do not worry about its roots if they are growing a lot, as most of the oldest Anthurium are like that, which you might notice from my outdoor gardens video. Do you have any experience? Please comment below what is your experience with Anthurium.